Welcome back to Century. Today, we look at the pure electric Rolls-Royce Spectre. Make sure to subscribe and like for more luxury content.
Welcome back to Century Gearshift Garage, your ultimate home for the most in-depth luxury and performance vehicle reviews on the internet. If you love high-end automotive engineering, hit that subscribe button right now, turn on notifications, and drop a like on this video to help us keep bringing you the most exclusive cars on the planet. Today, we are diving deep into the stunning 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre, the brand's very first fully electric ultra-luxury super coupe. Is this electric revolution worth the legendary spirit of ecstasy on the bonnet? Or has Rolls-Royce lost a bit of its historic soul? Stick around, because by the end of this walk-around, you will know every single detail, every specification, and whether this nearly $500,000 masterpiece is actually worth your hard-earned money. Let us kick things off right at the front fascia, where Rolls-Royce managed to fuse decades of heritage with cutting-edge modern aerodynamics. Standing right in front of this vehicle, the presence is nothing short of majestic. Up front, you are greeted by the widest Pantheon grille ever fitted to a Rolls-Royce. But because this is a fully electric Grand Tourer, that massive grille isn't designed to suck in massive amounts of air for an internal combustion engine anymore. Instead, it features smooth, aerodynamically tuned polished stainless steel vanes that subtly redirect airflow over the long hood. And when the sun goes down, that entire grille lights up using 22 subtle light-emitting diodes mounted behind the polished slats, giving the Spectre an ethereal, almost floating glow at night. Flanking that iconic grille, you have a split headlight architecture that gives the car a sharp, futuristic gaze. The ultra-slim upper daytime running lights look like razor-sharp blades, while the main projector headlights are deeply recessed below in a dark, tinted housing. At the top of the grille sits the redesigned Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. Rolls-Royce spent over 800 hours in wind tunnel testing refining her stance, making her slightly lower and more streamlined, contributing to an impressive drag coefficient of just 0.25. That makes the Spectre the most aerodynamic Rolls-Royce ever created in history. Moving around to the side, the sheer scale of this luxury coupe becomes immediately apparent. Measuring over 17.8 feet long, the side profile commands absolute respect. The fastback roofline flows seamlessly from the top of the windshield all the way down to the rear deck lid, creating a monolithic, unbroken silhouette inspired by modern yacht design. Look down along the lower body section, and you will notice what Rolls-Royce calls the waft line. This subtle chrome character line runs along the bottom sill and gently tapers upward toward the front, giving the visual illusion that the car is gently lifting off the ground as it moves. Filling out those massive wheel arches are colossal 23-inch forged alloy wheels with self-leveling center caps, ensuring the classic double R logo always stays perfectly upright no matter how fast you are driving. And of course, being a true Rolls-Royce coupe, we have the iconic rear-hinging coach doors. Measuring nearly 1.5 meters in length, these are the longest single-piece aluminum doors ever fitted to a Rolls-Royce vehicle. They open backward with a simple press of a button or pull of the handle, welcoming you inside like an exclusive private jet. Walking toward the back of the Spectre, the rear design is surprisingly clean and minimalist, yet undeniably bold. The fastback roofline drops smoothly into a neatly integrated rear tail section. Because there are no exhaust pipes underneath, the entire lower rear bumper features a clean, smooth gloss black diffuser setup that aids in aerodynamic efficiency. The vertical taillights are set into a single frame, designed as vertical jewel-like light clusters surrounded by a neutral chrome trim, which allows buyers to match the exterior paint seamlessly around them. The rear deck lid has a subtle lip that provides extra stability while maintaining an elegant aesthetic. Every single panel on the rear feels hand-sculpted, and the seamless transition from the roof to the rear haunches highlights the unbelievable build quality Rolls-Royce is famous for. Now, let us step inside through those massive coach doors into the cabin. The moment you step inside, you are enveloped in an atmosphere of uncompromised, whisper-quiet luxury. The fit and finish here set a benchmark that no other car manufacturer can touch. The leather is butter-soft, sourced from high-altitude European cattle to ensure zero imperfections, and every piece of wood trim is genuine, mirror-matched, and hand-polished. The highlight of the cabin is without a doubt the bespoke lighting architecture. You get the world-famous Starlight headliner overhead, which uses thousands of hand-woven fiber optic lights to simulate a clear night sky, complete with shooting stars. But Rolls-Royce took it even further in the Spectre by extending those lights to the door panels. Known as Starlight Doors, over 4,000 individual illuminated stars line the interior doors and side panels, wrapping the driver and passengers in a galaxy of warm light. The digital instrument cluster seamlessly blends traditional Rolls-Royce luxury dials with customizable modern displays, while the center console retains solid aluminum physical rotary knobs that operate with a satisfying, tactile click. The seats are deeply cushioned, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions that turn long-distance cruising into pure bliss. Plus, thanks to over 700 pounds of sound-deadening material packed beneath the floorboards and inside the doors, the interior is virtually silent, isolating you completely from the noisy outside world. Now, let us talk about what lies under that long, sculpted hood and beneath the chassis. While popping the hood doesn't reveal a noisy 12-cylinder engine anymore, what powers this vehicle is even more impressive. Beneath the floor lies a massive 102 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack that powers 2 electric motors, one mounted on the front axle and one on the rear, giving the Spectre permanent all-wheel drive. Together, this dual motor setup produces a staggering 584 horsepower and 663 pound-feet of instant torque. Despite weighing well over 6,000 pounds, this electric giant rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. The power delivery is buttery smooth and instantaneous, providing that classic effortless Rolls-Royce surge without a single gear shift or engine vibration. As for driving range, the Spectre offers an estimated range of up to 277 miles on a full charge, which is more than enough for grand touring trips. When it comes to charging, the Spectre supports rapid direct current fast charging at up to 195 kilowatts, allowing you to top up the battery from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. The air suspension system, paired with the famous planar suspension technology, reads the road ahead and automatically decouples anti-roll bars over rough surfaces to deliver that signature magic carpet ride feeling, absorbing bumps as if they don't even exist. Finally, let us talk about the price tag and give you our ultimate verdict here at Century. The starting price for the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre comes in right around $400,000. However, almost no Spectre leaves the factory without extensive bespoke customization. With custom paint finishes, personal interior colorways, and option packages like the Starlight Doors, most examples easily cross the $500,000 mark. Is it worth $500,000? In our honest opinion, the transition to pure electric power actually makes the Spectre the ultimate expression of what a Rolls-Royce was always meant to be. Rolls-Royce vehicles were always built to deliver silent, effortless, and liquid-smooth propulsion, and the electric